Henry's in space. There's asteroids all over the place. Henry's in space. He floats with grace, see the smile on his face. Help us, Henry, the asteroid is shattered. It's heading towards Earth. His job really matters. There's billions of people depending on you. Use your suction, you know what to do. Henry's in space. There's asteroids all over the place. Henry's in space. Can he get the asteroids up and back in their place? Wish they shoot Henry up to the stars. He heads past the moon and heads beyond Mars. They put him in the path of the asteroids that smash. Thank God, Henry, you're here at last. Can you suck up all the debris and head back to base? Keep coming back for more, but put that rubble in its place. It looks like Henry might help us to survive. To hear more Henry adventures, then press subscribe. Henry's in space. There's asteroids all over the place. Henry's in space. He got the dust, then back to the base. Thank you, Henry, you saved all the earth. You vacuumed all the shrapnel and really proved your worth. We must be giving you a medal when it comes to asteroids. You're the #1 Hoover, you are our top boy. There'll be more Henry adventures, it won't be long. Subscribe to the channel, this 3, 2, 1 song. There'll be more